makes like a solid, and if you stop touching it,
everything.
Good.
Water, strawberry,
whatever you
water
say.
milk.
Right.
We call it strawberry water milk.
Oh, it's oobleck. Hey,
Here.
touch some.
Touch it. Let me put it on your. Let me just put it on your
I
hand.
don't want to
It's
get my
melting.
hands dirty. I want
Hold
to stay
your-
clean.
Do we have a
Yeah.
glove he can use?
No.
Put it on his yellow gloves, and then I can set it
I
on
want
his
to
hand.
stay
and show it.
clean.
You can. Dad's
Mama.
gonna get you some gloves.
Mama, look. See, it like breaks in half like a solid, right?
Cool.
Another thing. Once you're not touching it, it really looks like it's.
No.
It really looks like it's just like
Come here,
slimy,
Jake. Hold
and
your
it's,
hand out.
and it's not at all hard. See?
All right.
It does.
Ready? Hold your
But if
hand
you
out.
touch it,
Hold
it's
it out
really
like this.
hard.
Watch. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, I'm going to be sick.
You're not.
You put that in sink.
Yeah. Yep.
Look at that. Watch. It melts. Stops. This is cool.
Pour it into Olivia's hand.
Daddy, watch
Look, go
this.
Can I see some?
Nice.
Let me see.
Wobbly, wibbly, wobbly.
Pours like a liquid. Clings like a solid. I can't get it off my fingers.
Look.
Yeah.
Hey, don't touch it. It's not
Kind of awesome.
Now, Mama, make it slob. They go like slingy.
Woo! Yeah. All right. Messy.
You want to make slime? Alright, here. Pour that in here.
Will it stay overnight so we can show Olivia?
Yeah, it should.
Ah,
If you don't
it
do
got,
that, right?
it got some right here. It got some right here.
I know. Hold up your hand. Let me take a picture.
Hold on, hold on.
What do you mean, hold on?
Ready?
Yep. Hold it up a little higher. There you go, right there. Got it.
Wibbly,
Dude, don't
wobbly.
shake
You're
it.
getting it everywhere, honey.
Wibbly, wobbly, whoosh.
Here,
There you
pour
go.
it in the
Boppity,
bag.
boppity, whoosh. Hey, bro, do you mind?
Here, Mom, hold the bag. I'll pour it in.
Where do I put
Set it
this?
on the
Just
table.
set it right down on the
It'll
table.
wash right off.
The key is not to touch it. If you touch it, it hardens up and it won't move. It's running. Be patient.
Need
Good
to wash my
orientation.
Darn
hands.
Whoa! Yeah, it'll wash right off your hands. You don't even need soap. Just get it wet, honey. It will dissolve. It's a powder.
Let me see. Ready?
Use
Oh,
science to get it out,
freezing
honey.
cold.
What do you mean? Yeah.
Hey.
That's good.
Hey.
That's enough of it.
Oobleck.